Welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. I'm drinking a Capri Sun. He's wiping down some tubes with a Windex. It's got ammonia in it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a very good pre-cleaner, tube cleaner for paint. But you have to get the one with ammonia. That's the key. Believe it or not, a lot of body shops, a lot of the small independent body shops will use this because it's cheaper than pre-cleaner.
Interesting. When you're like, oh, I want ammonia, I'm like,
Yeah,
the
it
illness?
has ammonia.
Say, we spent $10 million at the Walmart the other night on spray bomb. Or I don't know if I'll get taken down for saying the word bomb, so I'll just say spray paint. He's getting the bottom of the tubes, so it looks nice and fancy. And the tinfoil master cylinder, we're gonna cook that later in the oven. And there's a bucket, and I burned myself a few times on the welder this morning because I touched something too soon. Yeah, that does look really good. Damn. Especially with the clean black. Wow.
I'm going to do the other side of it. And then we do all the suspension pieces that same block.
Yeah. No, I agree. That looked really good. Even the front, even like the uppers, the upper arms.
Yes, upper and lower control arms. The spindles will probably make like a silver or a sapphire.
That looked good.
And I figured the coilovers will make red, will shine up the caps too. But yeah, that looks nice.
It does look nice. Also, here's the chassis after laying down some primer and some paint, and at least the front half of the firewall. Actually, it looks good, I think. Like you said, it's not quite the same color. This is a little bit more lighter than the.
That's okay. I mean, it's not solid. It's never gonna be
No.
solid. It's never gonna be solid.
But it still looks good though.
It lends some of its own personality.
Yeah.
To the car.
Has its own
Yeah.
character to it, you know. Yeah, a little bit of something right there.
See how the back of that car is kind of dark and light? It's because that needs another coat. That's
Yeah.
why I said we're gonna spend a couple days going around this thing with color, catching everything, trying to make it.
Right. And then I kind of have in here started with priming the bottom, the main rails, even the cross member there a little bit. But I think it's gonna look. I think
It's start coming together. You're gonna start seeing it being born. For
Yeah.
lack of better words, you know what it's gonna look like in the end.
It looks.
And then like here, we'll black all this out. We'll black the cap of this out, so it all looks nice.
Here's all the inside. Got all the inside all primered up. Got these back bars primered up. Back here. Got the funny car cage and what have you all primered up. And these over here, it's kind of new boot goofing. But we got most of it. We got to get some more paint though. So we got to do the bottom, stuff like that, and we just ran. No, it seems like the cans are all spraying differently, which makes it difficult to try and have a consistent, to keep it consistent all throughout the car. But it looks really good, I think. But like you said, we'll get some new cans, some different can or something.
About 5 more cans.
Yeah.
Just go back over.
But it does look way muchos. Looks muchos. So now I feel like you could see it more because the sun isn't as high up. It's a little later in the day, but it looks pretty daggum good, guys. Look at that. My dad kind of just goofed with that, the cleaning up. This actually goes up here like this, but he moved it down because this has tape and stuff on it. He also was goofing with the firewall. Look at that. That looks pretty good in there. And this side, the cans kept spraying funny. So he's gonna get some new cans and we're gonna respray this area. So, I mean, it looks okay, but it's kind of weird. This side now looks better. We've went and got a, well, he went and got another
Couple cans of it.
Another couple cans that spray right.
Yeah. Because
the other ones didn't spray so good. So here's the dashboard we have for the car. It came with the car. I don't. There's some of you guys that haven't seen the first video where we took the car apart. This dash is in the car. But alright, y'all, so we're taking the rear end out of it, and it is dirty down here. Look at all this. Clean all the tubs. Look at the rear end. Yuck. She ain't gonna look like this very long. We gonna.
Girl got a dirty ass.
She does get. She needs to wash her ass. Got the rear end out of it. Really, really dirty. The wind's killing me on the. It don't look so pretty right now, but
pretty dirty.
Yeah, pretty dirty. That's what it is. But here's on it here. Clean up all these tubs. Take them shocks off. Take them links off the anti-roll bar. Clean those up. Clean up them 4-link brackets. Got the rear end up on the counter, and now just ready for some disassembly. Take the rear center section out, kind of clean it up a little bit, check gears, pull axles out, take brakes off, and then when that's all done, scuff it and paint it, which should be kind of exciting, although it cleaned up really well. The Camaro is pretty much down to bare bones for the most part now. Pretty much, as you guys see, this is about as little as it's gonna get down to. Gonna clean the tubs, scrape that off. That's gonna be real exciting. And take them shocks out. But other than that, but now it's nice because everything we do now is gonna be reassembly. So pretty much after painting the rear end and cleaning it up, it's pretty much assembly time.